അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, ഐ ഹാവ് നെവർ ബീൻ ടു പാരീസ് ബിഫോർ. ഷീ എക്സ്ക്ലൈംഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഡാഷ് ടു പാരീസ് ബിഫോർ. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ്. ഷീ ഹാഡ് നെവർ ബീൻ. ഷീ എക്സ്ക്ലൈംഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഷീ ഹാഡ് നെവർ ബീൻ ടു പാരീസ് ബിഫോർ. ഐ റിഗ്രറ്റ് ഡാഷ് യു ദാറ്റ് ദ ഈവന്റ് ഹാസ് ബീൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ്. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. ടെല്ലിംഗ്. ഐ റിഗ്രറ്റ് ടെല്ലിംഗ് യു ദാറ്റ് the event has been cancelled. When I arrived, they dash for over an hour. Answer option B ആണ്. Had been waiting. When I arrived, they had been waiting for an hour. The diplomat's ability to speak multiple languages was considered a valuable dash in international negotiations. Answer option C ആണ്. Asset. The diplomat's ability to speak multiple languages was considered a valuable asset in international negotiations. The artist painted a beautiful landscape dash the canvas. Answer option B ആണ്. On to. The artist painted a beautiful landscape onto the canvas. The negotiations between the two countries finally dashed after weeks of discussion and the war began. Answer option C ആണ്. Broke down. The negotiations between the two countries finally broke down after weeks of discussion and the war began. The dictator's ability to notice the dash details led to the solving of the complex mystery. Answer option B ആണ്. Salient. The dictator's ability to notice the salient details led to the solving of the complex mystery. The bargains between the two companies reached a dash when they failed to agree on the terms of the partnership. Answer option B ആണ്. Dead end. The bargains between the two companies reached a dead end when they failed to agree on the terms of the partnership. She showed dash concern for the environmental issue by actively participating in tree planting campaigns. Answer option A ആണ്. Conscientious. She showed conscientious concern for the environmental issue by actively participating in tree planting campaigns. Conscientious ന്റെ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. CONSCIENTIOUS. Despite facing numerous obstacles, she displayed remarkable dash throughout the challenging project. Answer option B ആണ്. Tenacity ആണ്. Despite facing numerous obstacles, she displayed remarkable tenacity throughout the challenging project.